Are you over 60 and worried about your kidney health? It's a valid concern because as we get older, our kidneys need a little extra love. The good news is, what you eat can make a huge difference. Early kidney damage often flies under the radar, but you can be proactive. Today, we're diving into the top 10 foods that can help protect these vital organs. So grab a notepad and let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are not only delicious, but they're also low in potassium and packed with vitamins A, C, and B6. All of this makes them a fantastic, kidney-friendly addition to your meals. Coming in at number 9 is cabbage. Don't underestimate this humble vegetable. It's loaded with phytochemicals that help fight inflammation, and it's a great source of vitamins K and C. You can add it to salads, stir-fries, or make a healthy coleslaw. At number 8, we have onions. A staple in kitchens everywhere, onions provide a ton of flavor without adding a lot of potassium. Plus, they contain chromium, a mineral that helps your body metabolize fats, proteins, and carbohydrates more efficiently. Number 7 is garlic. Beyond just warding off vampires, garlic is a true health hero. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties are well known, and it can also help lower cholesterol, which is a big win for your kidneys and your heart. Next up, at number 6, is the classic apple. You know the saying, an apple a day? Well, it might just apply to your kidneys too. Apples are a great source of a soluble fiber called pectin, which can help lower both cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Sliding into our number 5 spot are cranberries. These little red gems are famous for their ability to help prevent urinary tract infections. Keeping your urinary tract healthy is an important part of supporting overall kidney function, so go ahead and enjoy some cranberries. At number 4, we have fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, or tuna. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredible for reducing inflammation and helping to lower blood pressure too. Major factors in maintaining healthy kidneys. Breaking into our top 3, at number 3, are leafy greens. Now it's important to enjoy these in moderation if you have existing kidney issues. But for prevention, greens like kale and spinach are powerhouses of vitamins and antioxidants that support your body's natural defense systems. Our runner-up at number 2 is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. They are absolutely bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which help protect your body's cells, including those in your kidneys, from damage. And the number 1 food to add to your diet for better kidney health is cauliflower. This versatile veggie is a true champion. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber, and it's low in potassium. You can mash it, roast it, or even turn it into rice. It's a fantastic substitute for less kidney-friendly foods. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a wonderful step towards a healthier you. Of course, always remember to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for advice tailored specifically to your health needs. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.